Islam is an Arabic word that means submission and surrendering to the will of the Almighty Allah. Islam is the perfect form of the true religion and complete way of life. The basic tenets of Islam include oneness of Allah, belief in prophets and messengers, belief in heavenly books, belief in angels, believe in destiny, and believe in resurrection, and believe in the day of judgment, paradise and hell, etc. The audience, Islam is a heavenly religion. The Prophet of Islam is Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Allah bless him and give him peace. Those who follow Islam are called Muslims. Muslims believe in all messengers and prophets from Sayyidina Adam alayhi salam to Sayyidina Isa alayhi salam. According to some traditions, there were more than 100,000 prophets throughout the world. These messengers and prophets were sent in all parts of the world and in all nations, whether we know the names or not. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the last of this golden chain. He is the seal of the prophets. Upon him, Allah Almighty completed his religion and finished the chain of sending prophets. Now, the ultimate and final religion of Allah is Islam. It's the only religion that can guide the mankind to the way of Allah and grant them deliverance from hellfire. Dear brothers, Islam is based on 5 major principles. First, to testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is Allah's apostle. Second, to perform 5 times salah daily. Third, to keep fast in the month of Ramadan. Fourth, to pay yearly zakat to the poor. And fifth, to perform Hajj once in lifetime. Respected audience, the Holy Quran is the divine book that was revealed to our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam by Allah. The Quran is the base of all the Islamic beliefs and teachings. Dear brothers, the Prophet of Islam Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was born in Mecca. Islam originated in Mecca. Later the Prophet migrated to Medina. Makkah, Medina and Al-Quds are the holy sites in Islam. Kaaba in Makkah is the center to which Muslims from around the globe face in their daily prayers. Muslims perform special Jummah prayer on Friday and celebrate 2 festivals in a year, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. The audience, today Islam is the second largest religion of the world. There are about 55 countries all across the world where Muslims are in majority. Most of these Muslim countries are in the continents of Asia and Africa, while the other European, American and Australian continents have a considerable population of Muslims. Muslims constitute 1/5 of the 7 billion human population around the world. Dear brothers, Islam teaches universal brotherhood. It's the religion of equality and justice. It asserts that all human beings are equal with no difference of color, caste and creed. Islam says that the best among people is one who is more pious. The only criterion of honor in Islam is piety and virtue. Islam regards all human beings as family of Allah. It encourages justice, transparency and good morals. Islam prohibits injustice, oppression, social discrimination and bad morals. Here I will conclude my talk with sincere prayers to Allah that He give us tawfiq to follow true Islam in every walk of life. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
अपना इनाम देकर जाए शेख जमीलुल्लाह